A good evening to you in studio. We are at Wolfson Isaac Stadium in KwaZulu, where the Ministry of Police is expected to be signing a cooperation agreement in collaboration with the Nelson Mandela Metro Municipality. But for now, I am joined by the Deputy Executive Mayor, Lobishe, who is going to be outlining and also telling us briefly and what is the plan. Lobishe, welcome to MBK TV News. Can you just tell us what is the purpose of signing this agreement?
Thank you very much. The purpose of signing this agreement is for us to be able to have an understanding of both from an administrative point of view and also from a political point of view on how best we are going to work together as these three spheres of government. And the agreement entails four important elements. One, the aspect of us sharing resources, how we are going to utilize the available resources to fight crime. Two, how we are going to be able to work together against GBV and all other forms of discrimination, utilizing those programs in a common manner. For the provision of a safer city as prescribed by the Constitution. It becomes our responsibility as the municipality, but overall national government has that responsibility. And the fourth element is for us to be able to manage to run an economic viable city, and we can't do so if crime is persisting in our city.
But have you identified which areas are you going to be working with?
Yes, it's the four elements that I've mentioned. That it's the provision of a safer city, economic viable city, sharing of programs against GBV and other related discriminations, and the fourth one, sharing of resources, which is going to help us maximize on the resources that we have as all the three spheres of government.
Thank you so much for your time, Mayor.
Thank you.
And that was our Deputy Executive Mayor, Lobishe, really outlining how this plan is going to work out. And for now, it's back to you in studio. Thank you so much.